There's a secret behind every viral YouTube video. Ever wonder why some YouTube videos blow up overnight while others get buried? Well, today, I'm revealing the hidden formula that YouTube doesn't want you to know. The secret behind making any video go viral. Stay until the end, because one strategy I'll share can 10x your views instantly. Most people think viral videos happen by luck, but YouTube has a predictable system that favors certain videos. The key? High retention plus high click-through rate, CTR, plus strong engagement. Step 1. Hook in the first 5 seconds. The first 5 seconds make or break your video. Say something shocking, controversial, or ask a question that demands an answer. For example, Mr. Beast might say, if you watch this video until the end, I'll give one of you $10,000. Of course, you may not be able to give away $10,000, but the objective is to make the people curious. Step 2. High CTR thumbnail and title. Your video won't go viral if no one clicks it. You need a curiosity-driven title and a thumbnail that makes people stop scrolling. I spent 24 hours in a haunted house. YouTube's algorithm rewards videos that keep people watching longer. Here's what they don't tell you. The watch time boost. Videos with 70% plus audience retention get pushed by the algorithm. So, cut out boring parts and add fast cuts. The engagement hack. YouTube boosts videos with high comments and likes. So, ask a question mid-video like, what's the best viral video you've ever seen? Drop it in the comments. The secret power of playlists. YouTube loves when people binge watch. Put your viral videos into playlists and title them Best of Your Niche to increase session time. The final secret? Re-upload and re-promote your best videos. If a video performs well, remake it with a better hook and thumbnail. Top YouTubers do this all the time. Don't let YouTube bury your videos. Use these secrets to go viral. Want more insider YouTube hacks? Hit that like button and comment I'm ready. If you want the next viral secret. And subscribe so you never miss the next algorithm breaking strategy. The algorithm is waiting. Are you ready to take over YouTube?